Well, a very big greetings to you and a big one. Press review coming in is Norbert Mao is set to table the first developing story about the MPs to vote president in parliament this afternoon. This development has just popped in via KFM News. KFM News, thanks to KFM, what they did. This development has been causing speculations and a lot of rumors. Well, what you need to know is historic legislative session is set to take place in Uganda. Historic legislative session Constitution Amendment Bill of 2024 to be tabled. Kampala, Uganda. In a landmark move, the Minister for Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Norbert Mao, is set to table the Constitution Amendment Bill of 2024 this afternoon, Tuesday, September the 24th, 2024. This pivotal session, as outlined in the order paper released by the Clerk to Parliament, Mr. Adolf Mwesizye Kasaija, places the matter at the forefront of today's legislative agenda. The proposed amendments are poised to bring significant changes to Uganda's political landscape ahead of the 2026 general elections. Among the key proposals is a groundbreaking shift in the presidential election process, suggesting that Parliament elects the president. This move aims to reduce the influence of money and corruption in the electoral process, ensuring a more transparent and accountable system. That's what they say, not my word. Additionally, the bills propose the leader of the opposition be elected by all opposition members of parliament or MPs, fostering a more democratic and representative selection process. This change is expected to strengthen the role and influence of the opposition in parliamentary proceedings. Another notable proposal is the requirement for all local government mayors and councillors to possess at least an A level certificate, which is so nice. I concur with this. So nice. All local government mayors and councillors are to possess at least an A level certificate. This measure is intended, as they say, to enhance the quality of leadership at the local level, ensuring that elected officials have the necessary educational background to effectively serve their communities. The anticipation surrounding today's session is palpable, with citizens, political analysts, and international observers keenly watching the development. The proposed amendments have sparked widespread debate, with supporters lauding the potential for increased transparency and accountability in their own words, while critics raise concerns about the practical implementation and also the implications and potential challenges in its implementation processes. As the session unfolds, all eyes will be on Norbert Mao and the Parliament of Uganda as they navigate this critical juncture in the nation's democratic journey. The outcomes of today's proceedings will undoubtedly shape the political landscape of Uganda for years to come. Stay tuned for a live and in-depth update, all from Acholi as we will keep bringing you all the updates. Apologies for these camera recorders outside the studio. If you can see the background is not all that, but the most important thing on this is the information that you have got. Parliament is going to see no bad more tables the most talked about bill and the contents that you already heard about, the contents that you already got us. If you caught this live stream halfway, you can rewatch it to get the content of what Norbert Mo is set to table this very afternoon. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and stay blessed. Nice time.